Hi there. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to install a zipper foot on your blackhead machine. First things first, take off the foot that's there. That's the normal foot of your machine. That's me rolling it out and it's out. Then you keep that aside and you take your zipper foot. So this is a zipper foot. As you can see, it's kind of different from the normal foot that we have, and it has a hook just like the normal presser foot. So you hook it behind where the screw is, you hook it behind at your machine and you begin to roll. As you can see, I'm putting it back so you get to see what I'm trying to do. That part where it's just the footer, you hook it behind there. Yes, and begin to turn the knob that you loosened to take out the other presser foot. So this is me turning it. Yeah, that knob, you turn it until it's as secure as it was when the other foot was there. There's a knob behind the zipper foot. So I'm going to turn my camera soon so you can see what I'm trying to say. And that knob behind helps you to manipulate the zipper foot. So you either push it left or you push it right, depending on where you want it to sit on your dress. Yeah, so I'm turning the knob now at the back. I can go ahead with my sewing project for the day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe to this channel and turn your notification bell on so you can get notified when I post a new video. Don't forget to check if your thread and your needle are in the right place. Bye.